Good morning guys, in front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 and let me show you how to clear cache to speed up your device. So once your XIAOMI runs a bit slow, you can smoothly speed up by clearing the cache. To do it, just open the settings, then find and select apps, and here you've got the list. So you can start either from the top and just go one by one, or start with those that you use most frequently, and then mark clear all data. And here actually you've got everything under one click, so all app data including files, settings, accounts, databases and cache will be permanently deleted. If you want to do it, tap on OK, but usually you will have just cache separately, so just mark clear data, and as you can see here you've got two tabs, so you can either clear all data or clear cache only, and actually this is what I wanted to show you in this video. And just go app by app. If you want to do it quickly, just start with those and clear those that you use most frequently, and then your device would work way smoother. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.